Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the actual designs open, so grab the frame and select the text plus its background shape. First, make sure the text and background fills are unique layers. This avoids sampling errors. Once done, open Figma's inspector to see hex values or launch a contrast plugin. Both give you numeric color values instantly. This step saves time because you'll compare exact colors rather than eyeballing them, making the contrast check repeatable and precise. Now you measure contrast. Copy the hex codes for foreground and background into the contrast tool or plugin. The tool calculates a ratio like 4:5 to 1 and indicates pass or fail for normal text and large text. This tells you why a color pairing works or not. If it fails, tweak the foreground or background directly in Figma and recheck immediately, so you can see how small changes affect accessibility. This loop gets you to compliant color quickly. Finish by applying the approved color pair to components and save tokens or styles so you don't regress. Then test variants and states, hover, disabled outlines, because altered opacity or overlays can change contrast. If the ratio is unexpectedly low, check for layer opacity, blend modes, or color effects. These often cause wrong readings. Also inspect nested backgrounds or gradients. Isolating a single solid layer usually reveals the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.